It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so excited to talk about the return of pumpkin pecan waffles to Bath and Body Works. And I'm really digging this new packaging. I gotta say, it was funny. When I saw this online, I wasn't sure. I don't love the lotion and the cream, but I love the shower gel and the mist. I actually need to still get the shower gel. I'm like so low on shower gel, you guys. I'm like, what is happening? Because this is actually one of my favorite shower gels, like, of all time. So I'm going to hold these up. Check it out. So this was last year. And they're totally different. I mean, this is so whimsical. Was this last year? Oh my gosh. Sometimes I always get the dates mixed up. I think this was last year. No, this was the year before. Wait a minute. This was the year before. Because, oh my gosh, you guys, last year, I didn't like last year's. Last year's was like the kind of plain, it was like a brownish, it had like polka dots on it. I remember that. This was the one I loved. This was the whimsical one. And remember we had, the coconut candy apple that year. That was a good year. I did love this. I love the whimsical. So this year they went full on classy with the gold label, which I do love this gold label. I love the deepness of the shade of the orange. And I especially love on the bottom, it's like they created a whole new bottle style. So it's not faceted, but it's textured. And there's leaves all over it. So we have a lot of these because, oh my gosh, you guys, all of my fall stuff is all over the place. Oh, this is the faceted leaves. Where's my other stuff? I think I have another one. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so this collection, this is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, has the leaves, which I love so much. So the packaging, especially on the mist and the shower gel, I'm full on. Pumpkin pecan waffles is maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. So this is year 3 for pumpkin pecan waffles. It's funny. It's one of those scents that I like in the fall. I don't think I usually get into this year round. It's a little too like heavy, but it really gets to me at the fall. In the fall. I love it. I mean, this one literally smells like you dumped food on your head. I say that a lot. I think it smells exactly like the previous years. There are some Bath & Body Works scents that are just really stable. If anything, I think it's a little stronger this year. I'm like, is that possible? But this one you really do smell. You smell that heavy syrup. You smell the maple. You smell all of the waffle, the brown sugar, the pumpkin spice. It's all in there, and it's all like full on food. There's no floral, there's no musk, there's no woodsy, there's no airy. It's just food. Oh, it does smell good. You smell some butter in there too. I get like a buttery note, which can be a little bit like heavy. I think we had this conversation before when I said, like, I'm not sure, like, when you're walking around, you necessarily want to, feel like you smell just like food. I don't think I'd walk into like a business meeting with this because it's just too, it's too foodie. It's too foodie. Is that possible? Yeah, just a little. The cream is a little lighter, but the mist this year, oh my gosh, I really get a strong butter note in this mist. And it's got some staying power. I've always thought this is one of the stronger foodie scents that Bath & Body Works does. So if you like butter, if you like brown sugar, waffles, maple syrup, any of that stuff, you're going to love it. You're going to love pumpkin pecan waffles. It's funny because the pecan note, it doesn't really smell nutty to me, but I think it's there, like the essence of maybe the pecans is in the pecan, I see pecan, but it's there. It's kind of like mixed in with the scent, but the nuttiness is not like full on. You get more of that brown sugar, buttery, gooey scent, like that comes with like a pecan pie. So that's where that comes in. But it's not like overtly nutty. But oh my goodness, you guys, if you like food, I highly recommend trying this. Try to Believe It sale this weekend, $4.95. That's when you're going to want to pick up these mists because that's when you're going to get the lowest price. So I'm excited. I'm excited to have it back. I will wear this. I love the shower gel. I got to get my hands on the shower gel so that I can really review these fall shower gels. But it's a good one in the shower because your whole shower smells like you're cooking maple, waffly, like butter, caramel, everything. You get a caramel note in this one too, a little. But it kind of smells like it in the shower, which is a little odd, but it's delightful. Trust me. Anyway, if you like this scent, let me know. It's very similar to the previous year. I had to stop the video for 1 minute. I saw Amazon drive by and I'm like, I know Coco's going to start barking. So, oh my gosh, you guys, let me know what you think of pumpkin pecan waffles this year. I'm excited. I'm going to wear this one a lot. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.